Okay, so this week we'll get into Microsoft Excel. So I go into here and so your assignment is right here, okay? So when you open this assignment, you're gonna see this, yeah? Scope page. Can't really see this. Alright, so I want to make it a little bit bigger so you can see. Yeah, this is better. Okay, so I think some of the students, you haven't bought, right, your book. So make sure you go to this website, because your book is right in here, and I've already mentioned that in your syllabus. So if you haven't done it, so make sure you go there. So let me open this for you. It's right here, stcpublications.com. So that's your adopted textbook. So you go into right here, certification, and then go right there, So we need this, and that, So that's a Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. So Excel, you're gonna see this book and click on it, Of course, you don't get the instructor resources, but you will definitely get the downloads right here, Your access code, see this little access code, right? It's right in there, okay? Um, so when you go to the second page, of course here we can really see. So this access code, of course when you buy one of them, you're gonna get this code, and it's usually come behind, right after your the textbook cover. Okay, so when you open it, you're gonna see it on this side. So this is your first page. So it's on your second page. So on the back of this cover. So you will get that access code. And when you get the access code, you're gonna come back to this, okay? See, like you can buy from this, okay? So again, you go right here, certification, yes. Go to there, get the book. You can go in here. There's a purchase option right there. Of course, you don't get this one. That's only for the teachers, And you can be able to, of course you can go in there, yes. So here I just is showing you the sample. See, like this is your assignments are inside of this book, okay? So you will go into that and then you're gonna do one by one. It's pretty easy, yes. All right, make sure you get this book. Use the access code, you're gonna get your download contents. When you go to the download contents, you will get this exercise book file. You can download it here. I put this one for people who want to take the certification, can use this software, right? Download and you can be able to do that. Your videos and video with the captions are given to you here as well. But these files are heavy, so if you don't want to, so move around with your hard drive or whatever. Cloud also don't have like a unlimited space, so I provide you. So when you go here, let me close this thing. When you go here, yes, to your course, and you go to your course right here, I give you the same thing for you, so it's in there, of course. So need to see exercise 5. I give you the Microsoft Word exercise 5 right there, and I have uploaded for Excel into here, but I can move it here as well, don't worry about it. So go here right there and go into Excel, and I put your stuff right here, so that's where you're gonna get from here. So that's where your template file is. Of course I'm gonna put that for you into the same needed files right there as well, okay, in here as well. I'm just gonna link it, but I just put it here because I'm afraid like some students are not going into the needed exercise files to get it, okay. All right, then your first exercise, let's go back here. Your first exercise is going to tell you make it a little bit bigger. So go to the site, get your textbook. Once you get your textbook, you're gonna do chapter 1 to 3 in 1.5 week. Yeah, and then you're gonna do the second chapter 4, 5, 6. That's just nothing study resources. So you only have like actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only. Yeah, these are just a practice exam. So if you're not taking your certification, then you don't really need it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's for 3 weeks. Yeah, you can definitely do it. So where are the exercise instructions? Like I already show you here. Yes, it's right in there in this book. Yeah, these are called exercise. Filter swap data table. I can make it a little bit bigger for you. Yeah. So you will go, of course, see these little videos. Yeah. That is already given to you. So when you go to your assignment again, and you go into that, and I'll throw it right here for you. I'll link it. Yes. Those who don't want to carry around the big files, you can go right in here. Yes. And from video 3 to 94 is MS Word, 95 to 164 is MS Excel, and 165 to 200 is MS PowerPoint. So you go 95 to 164. Okay. So oh yeah, sorry, I linked the wrong link here. Sorry, one moment. So here, yeah, so I threw it for you. So when you go there, you're gonna get your list right here. So when I say like video number 3, I'm talking about right here. Yeah. So if you go all the way down to like a 94, so right here, yes. So you're gonna start Excel from the video number 95, okay, and then of course go all the way down to, yeah, so I cut it 164. So you go all the way down to 164. Go down, 164. Right here, okay? The PowerPoint is gonna start from here. So they're like, just see like how tiny little video they are. It's just showing you like a one, yeah? A tiny little 13 seconds for one move in your Excel, okay? So that's where the videos are, and then you can be able to link it out. Yeah, we can. So everything is just compiled for you. So make sure you use it. And then of course comment your last name. Yeah, so I know that you are doing your work. Okay, so make sure you get this, please. Otherwise, yeah, it's gonna have issue. And if you haven't done it, so also get the Word and PowerPoint. Okay, so those of you, there are a couple of students who didn't do Word, so make sure you go ahead and do that, because we're already in February. I mean March. Sorry. So end of February. So you have already spent 1/3 of your semester. If you don't start to get yourself moving, then you're gonna have an issue. Yeah, I don't want to talk about this kind of crap. So yeah, make sure you do your assignments. Okay. All right. Well, that's it for showing Microsoft Excel. So let's go back to our homework, which is your Microsoft Excel assignment. Yes, so you have 3 weeks to do your first part 1.5 and the second part 1.5. And then I show you where the Excel book files are. I already put that back to you in your Brightspace. So go to your course. Yeah, if you're not opening the needed files, I was thinking to put it right here. Yeah, if you don't have it, you can also get it here. Yeah, so I will also put this one right in here. So for Word, I put it right there, and some people don't go there, so lazy. So I will put it, of course, right here as well for you. Yeah, so that way you can be able to see it. Okay, those of you who haven't done Teams, so make sure you finish it for last week homework. I put the screen recording here, so when you take your Microsoft Excel test, you have to do your screen recording. So make sure you practice that as well. So all of your textbook, yeah, assignment. So here we go back in here, our textbook. So after you have done all of your assignment, yes, assignments are where? Assignments are right there, okay? So after you finish working on your template file, you will have to submit it right here. Yeah, Microsoft Excel completed assignment file upload. So go in there and upload them. Yeah, I think I already, so yes. Of course, I copy it from the Word, so I haven't changed this one. So I can just change that for you right here. Yeah. So please turn in your Microsoft Excel practice. As far as from your Microsoft Excel assignment 1 and 2, and then you're gonna upload it right here. Yeah. So I will just go ahead and change this the same thing for you. Da, 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 da. Of course, and then you're gonna complete all of the tasks in your book and then upload it in a compress. I want it in a compress. Yeah, compress meaning like this zip. Alright, zip compress file. Put them all together and upload it. Alright, so then don't forget to take your quiz. Your quiz is right here. Yeah, you don't want to take the quiz right away. You definitely do your assignment files here, and then make sure you hit everything. Okay, so once you finish hitting all your video tutorial videos and then the assignment, you upload them and then take the quiz, please. Okay, yeah, that's it for this week. If you have any problems, make sure you call me a Zoom. Yeah, your Zoom room is right here. My link I already give it to you is right there. You can also use a meeting ID if you want to. Yes, if you don't have a Zoom, then we can also use Teams, which is going to be right in here. And I've already taught you how to do the Teams. Yeah, so call me a Teams right here. Yeah, so we can so go into the team and talk to each other. Yeah, so whichever way you want to do. I like to use Zoom, so I give you the Zoom. So you have a free account anyway. Yeah, so about a 45 minute free you can get. So just go ahead and make an account right there, and then call me whenever you need to talk to me. Yes, okay. All right. Well, that's it for this week. Yeah, happy study.